Welcome to the build of the 2.5 tonne 6x6 cargo truck. This is a Tamiya kit number 218. This is part 4. Doing a copy of Ron, got to have a mug in the start. In this video we're starting off with the wheels. There's 2 front, 4 back and 1 spare. There's a little black plastic insert there to allow the wheel to fit on the axle and still be able to rotate. It's not glued in. Then we have the brake drum. I'd already dry fitted this, so I knew it was going to go in. I don't like this camera angle. I'll finish this, do this part, and then I'll go back to where I was previously. Hands are getting in the way all the time, and it's quite easy to move off out of field of vision. Ooh, my tremor's getting a bit bad this morning. There are mounting lugs on each part to be put together to help locate. So you hear it click and then it goes in straight away. Just a bit of extra thin to go in between the 2 parts. Not a heck of a lot, just a little bit. I've done the 6 wheels together now, showing all on together. So what I'm doing now is making the dual wheels that go on the rear. There's 4 of these to put together. Again, the Tamiya have got the mounting lugs and location pins, making it a lot easier just to put it together. Again, I've got this problem of moving out of screen. But you can't go back and do it again. Once you glue it together, that's it. You don't get a second take. Again, another one of the rear dual tyres. Something's gone wrong here today. I'm doing the voiceover and the neighbour is not mowing the lawns. It's the first time. Now we get into part 10, where I do the seats. Three parts make up the seat. You notice I've changed the camera position and it makes it a lot easier to see what I'm doing. Hands are not getting in the way. Do something about that lighting too. There's still a bit of a lot of shade there. Now I did a the light behind me a bit. There's a second seat going in. See, this is an American vehicle, it's the driver's side. I'll start working on the engine now. Put the two halves together. They again, nice locating pins to get in the right place. Almost no flash too. I hardly had to clean these up at all. And a minimal amount of extra thin to go in between the two parts. That's the engine ready to be primed, and then the other parts going on. But first I've got to put the rocker cover or valve cover, again depending where you come from. I broke the gear ship taking it off the screw, and here I've got it on some masking tape and gluing the two parts together again. Now we'll start work on the levers that are going in the subfloor pan. These all have locating holes, square and round, so you don't put them in the wrong one. These parts are very small, making it a bit difficult to get them in place. Following Ron Calvary's example here on putting a black dot in the middle of the mat to help with keeping everything in screen. You're just reinforcing these and checking the underside as well to make sure they're in straight and strong. adding some glue to the backside where they've come through. Adding the seats. So that's the subfloor seats and the levers for handbrake, gear change, power takeoff and six-wheel drive. So thanks for watching. Please click the thumbs up, subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. Now I've got all the parts together, off camera I'll be spray painting them with primer. So cheerio for now.